Good morning. Welcome to the hiking jungles of Colorado. As you can see all around us, we have nothing but trees and dust. But later on, it will be sun, but pow pow, baby. It's the intro, dude.
Get my butt.
Yo, Chris is a spider monkey.
Chris is on the way. Come over and down.
Oh, Sean.
It's a lot easier.
Damn.
I'm just spider monkey to hold a cheap spot.
Huh. How did you do that?
Go around to the tree. And there's like, really good, you'll see it. There's like a little bit right here.
Oh, Ty.
Yeah, Trev, right there. You got this.
Cold as hell. Feeling good though. Your skin is dry every day. Your lips are dry. But thank gosh, we got the CBD lip balm to keep our lips from cracking. And I got that $60 Lumen fucking ad on Instagram, and you know I got that shit. It's good for your skin. Did the charcoal rub this morning. Oh, fucking beautiful.
I wish I knew to zoom in. I don't know if I can on video.
It's not smart that you do it with 2 fingers, right?
No, that's not. On photo.